You are
grounded.
Today's episode is Dark Caillou fails the math test and gets grounded. Okay class. Today, we're going to be taking a math test. Now get out your pencils and worksheets, and start taking your test.
Oh no, I forgot to study for my math test last night. And I do not want to fail another grade again. Oh well, I just have to figure it out on my own.
1 hour later.
Alright class, the math test is over. And I already graded your tests. Now, all of you go take a look at your math tests.
Wow! Me and my girlfriend Jade both got an A+ on our math tests.
I agree what my boyfriend Leon Scott Kennedy said. Thanks so much for giving us an A+ on our math tests, Miss Lizzie. You're the best teacher ever.
Cool! I got a B on my math test. That wasn't so bad at all.
Not bad. I got a B- on my math test.
I wonder which grade will I get on my math test. Wait, what the? No. I got an F on my math test. Now my parents are going to ground me when they find out that I got a bad grade on my test.
That's right. Dark Caillou, you are in very big trouble right now. Because I heard you talking to yourself at the beginning of your math test, that you just forgot to study for your test. You should have studied before you took a math test last night. But no, you chose to skip it, and go play video games and any other electronic devices instead. And now look, you just received a very big F on your test with no effort on it. That is not acceptable. You know what? That's it, go straight to the principal's office. Right now.
When Dark Caillou got to the principal's office. So Dark Caillou, what brings you here in my office today?
I got an F on my math test. It's just because I forgot to study for my math test last night. So this is the reason why I didn't think about it, and ended up playing video games and any other electronic devices instead.
Dark Caillou, this is very unacceptable. I can't believe you failed your math test, and forgot to study last night. You should know that studying for tests are very important. And plus, you should have studied the night before you go take your math test. But no, you chose to become lazy student. That's it, you're suspended for 1 week. Go home right now. When Dark Caillou got home.
Dark Caillou, what the heck is your problem? We cannot believe you got an F on your math test at school today. You should have studied the night before you took a math test last night. But no, you chose to go on the internet on your electronic devices and go play video games too much.
That's it, you're grounded for 6 weeks. And also, we're going to be taking away your video games and any other electronic devices from you as a punishment. Go upstairs to your room right now, and think about what you did.